Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I got an Amazon package, and I knew it was coming, but I don't know what it is because it's my birthday present for my grandchildren. They were here when I got it, except they were leaving. So I told them I would do a video and they could watch it on YouTube. So Diamond and I do this thing where we put things in our Amazon wish list, and then when it comes to buying for me or like for the kids, especially Allie and Kota, they're getting harder to buy for, and I just Amazon shop. So this is something that I had in my wish list on, and said that the kid, that when she looked, show the kids this would be something that I wanted. So I have no idea. Oh my God, they got me the art therapy. Haha, this is cool. Kathy, I got the art therapy. I just literally put this in right after Kathy's video. I thought it was the coolest thing. So what it is, how do you open it? Oh, I was like, how do you open this? It's prompt cards. And I know there's some I probably won't do, but it's okay. 75 unique activities, each with full color reference photos of complete creation, benefits supply list, instructions, and established time accompaniments for each activity, art therapy background, resources, and tips for unlocking your creativity, reflection of questions to prompt insight and self-compassion, a range of artistic mediums and complexly levels, plus index to help you decide what activities might be most useful. Guide art therapy card deck allows space for processing thoughts and feelings, especially when they are difficult to put into words. These wide-ranging therapeutic and creative exercises can help you understand your emotions and let go of what's holding you back. You don't need to be an artist to get it started. Okay, let's see. Here's a guide. Comes with this little guidebook, so I'll have to check that out. Oh, the cards have this plastic on. Okay, so look at the card range. I like that they have numbers. How many total are there? 70. Oh yeah, 75. Dots. I read that. So let's see. Give and take. Goal for activity: to give yourself guidance. Medium, painting. Time commitment: 45 minutes. Instruction: trace each hand on a paper with a pen or marker. In the outline of your left hand, write things in your life and what you want to let go of. The outline of your right hand, write anything you want to call into your life, and paint to further express yourself. Oh, these are going to be cool. So we have 75. So you can do it once a week or once a day, I guess. I'll read more on it, but this is so cool that this is what Diamond had them pick. So that is my birthday gift from my grandkids. That's awesome. I literally just put that in there, maybe 2 weeks ago? Kathy did the first video, because I thought, oh my God, I like that. So I went and put it in my Amazon wish list. So that's my birthday present for my grandchildren. So that was awesome. So thank you, my grands. I love yous. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.